Hello everybody, it's Ashwin Rao, and today's quick video features a beautifully restored pair of vintage Florsheim Longwing Bluchers. Let's talk about this model, which is the 93602 Longwing Blucher. I was able to restore this pair in collaboration with Wyatt and Dad Cobblers out of North Carolina. So I had Wyatt and Dad restore and replace the welt here. You can see the storm welt along the edge done in black here. That's this structure here. While they were at it, I had them apply a contrast rust-colored stitch. You can see that rust-colored stitch along the edge of the top part of that sole. This is the outsole stitching. That offsets the black and brings more cohesiveness between the color of the upper, which is this red-brown tannish colored leather, and the edge welt and edge dressing, which was also previously black but now restored to a similar natural light brown finish. So the Longwing Blucher features a 5-eyelet classic design, a wingtip style with a medallion on the tip. This is the classic Florsheim medallion and wingtip. You can see some of the details and pinking along the edges of this shoe here. The pinking is basically the decorative edge finishing and trim that I'm trying to show you here. Hopefully you can appreciate the level of fit and finishing on this shoe that is now essentially 45 to 50 years old. Companies such as Alden, Carmina, and others continue to have models of Longwing Bluchers with various takes and various lasts. You can see that this particular Florsheim model has a rounded toe last. Very little chisel on that rounded toe, which makes it a much more traditional American style. Some of the other more modern takes have a slightly different style on them. You can see a little bit of the edge that's highlighted by this dark piping, which gives itself a little bit more of a casual flair. You can see the back heel detailing right here. And ultimately you can see how the grain, which is very subtle, yet it's there, adds to the character of this beautifully cohesive American style shoe. I was able to choose the Londra sole. I was able to choose how the finishing was done on the edge welt as well as on the stitching on the outsoles. And ultimately you can see that this is a shoe that's come together very nicely with slightly more modern look to it. So that, my friends, is the Florsheim 93602 Longwing Blucher in tan grain leather, resold by Wyatt and Dad. They do a great job, and they will last you and whomever comes after you additional lifetimes. All the best to you. Take care. Have a good day.